Hi and welcome back. In this new tutorial, we'll see how to design this modern restaurant app using Figma. Let's get started. Before we begin in this tutorial, let's go to the description of this video and download the exercise file and open it in Figma. So in the exercise file, you can find all the assets to follow me in this tutorial. So let's begin by creating a new page and pick the frame tool and select iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max. Next, let's pick a frame and create one frame inside the main frame that is half the size. Rename it background. And let's drop this image, Command C and Command V. Alright. Now let's pick the rectangle shape and let's draw a shape over our image. And let's give it a orange color, bright one, and then for the opacity it would be 60%. Let me change this to a bit darker. Alright, and let's make it 80%. Alright, we need that contrast. Now let's go and pick a navbar, Command C, and select the main frame, Command V, align to the top and to the center. Also, let's go and create a new text layer. Let's type in today dishes, and here let's go and scale it up, and we'll add a date. Regular and 16 font size. Now let's go back to assets and select tabs and paste it here under our title. Alright, now let me, for this background, I will give it more height. Alright, now let's pick all three, Command C, and select the main frame and paste here. Now let's move until we can see the first plate. Alright, now if we clip content, we see we have 3 dishes. Let's clip again. One last thing, let's pick this carousel navigation and let's paste it here. Alright, let me change this. Yeah, like that. And the first thing we're gonna do is to duplicate this screen and select the 3 dishes and move them until the second dish or plate will be centered on my frame. Now here, let's open those 3 blocks and select just the plate image. Hit Command or Control to select all 3, and let's go to rotation and rotate 90 degrees. Alright, if we unclip, now here let's change, but yeah, let's go here and let's give it a width of 13 pixels, and the second knob, let's give it 70 pixels and change its color to darker gray, and the first knob to a lighter gray. Alright, so this is the activated product. Also, this is the activated product, the first one. So this will be a navigation. Also, we want to rotate our background. To rotate our background, just select the image in our background and click and rotate. Also move it a bit down. Alright, now let's go and duplicate this a second time to navigate to our third plate. So select product 1, 2 and 3 and move them to the left until the last plate will appear. Alright, now select each image of each product, command and select one by one, and go to the rotate and give it a rotation of 180. Alright, now for the background, let's rotate again, something like that. And also for the navigation, let's give it 13 and a light gray, and for the last one 70 width and a dark gray. Alright, now to connect all this and make the animation, let's go to prototype. Let me remove the device and let's go and pick the first plate and connect it with the first screen, and let's go and pick on drag, smart animate, gentle, 800 millisecond. Alright, now we'll do this also for the knobs. The second one, let's connect it with the second screen and let's keep it at on click, smart animate, gentle, 800 pixels. Now for the third knob, select it and connect it with the third screen, and let's keep the same configuration. Now for our second screen, let's select the plate layer. As you can see in the layer, it is named product 2, and let's connect it with the third screen, on drag this time, smart animate, gentle, and now also connect this same plate with the previous screen. If we connect that screen with the previous, we'll go back. Alright, so also let's connect this first knob with the first screen, on click Smart Animate, and also here the third screen, on click Smart Animate Gentle. Now for the last plate, select it and connect and pick on drag, and for the knobs, the second one with the second screen, on click, and also the first knob with the first screen. Alright, on click Smart Animate Gentle. Now let's go to our prototype. Let's play it. Alright, so if we click and drag, the plate will rotate, the background rotate, and this will appear second plate. If we go back, it will work the same. Alright, now the second screen doesn't work on drag. We did a mistake. So here I must have, let's change it on drag. Alright, so that's working. Now in the navigation, if I click, it is working great. Alright, that was it for our carousel. Now we have a second effect to build. So here, as you can see, our ingredients of each salad, if we click and drag to the top, the list will appear and the screen will get smaller. Alright, let's go to Assets and let's select our list of ingredients. Alright, let's select the first screen and paste our ingredients and push them to the bottom. Alright, now Command C and Command V, move the screen to the bottom. Now let's remove this tab navigation, the titles, and move the screen to the top of the product. And select the plate, hit K and scale it down. Also center, change the text to white. And let's go and make this background image smaller, scale it down, and let's move the list up. Yeah, something like that. Alright, now let's go to prototype and let's select the list and connect it with the second screen, and let's pick on drag, Smart Animate Gentle, and also here for the second screen pick the list and select on drag and connect it to the first screen. Alright, so this on drag down and this on drag up, but Figma has only on drag. Will understand with the Smart Animate, when you drag up it will appear, the list will appear, and when you drag down the list will disappear. Alright, now let's test that. If we click and drag, as you can see, this swipe up effect click and drag back, we go back to the previous size. All right, now let's make this for the next two screens. Let's go to assets and pick the ingredient and Command V. Also this second screen, select them both and move down. Like that. Alright, now pick the second screen and move it to the bottom. Remove the tab. We'll repeat exactly the previous steps. Scale down the plate. And change the text. Also for the background image, let's scale it down and move up our list. Alright, now let's do that for our last screen. Scale down the plate. And change the color, text color to white. Scale down the image, background image, and move up the list. And you can also change the content inside this to appear more realistic. Alright, now let's go and connect this list with the bottom screen. On drag, Smart Animate Gentle. Also for the bottom screen, on drag, Smart Animate Gentle. Also the same here. On drag, Smart Animate, and this the first screen, on drag, Smart Animate. Alright, let's pick our flow, and if we click, working for, yes, it is working for each screen. Even though we select those knobs, yes. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.